My name is Liam Duran, and I'm an outdoor sports and adventure photographer, and I trust Think Tank packs to carry all my photo gear. After more than 2 decades traveling the world on commercial and editorial assignments, I've learned a lot. I just returned from an incredible wildlife shoot in Patagonia and Chile. I was able to capture guanacos, Andean foxes, condors, owls, and the mighty puma. To get my super telephoto lens there safely, I use Think Tank's new BackLight Long Lens pack. But this isn't just a travel pack, it's built for heavy use in the field. I was using Sigma's brand new 300-600 f4 lens, but this pack works perfectly for any fast telephoto lens like a 500 or 600 f4 or even an 800mm lens. It features the same bomb-proof construction you're used to having in all your Think Tank packs, and it has all the same features as well, like extra space for layers, a spot for your water bottle, and of course a cleverly hidden beaver tail pocket to carry your tripod. If you are looking for the perfect way to transport your super telephoto lens through the airport and in the field, look no further than the Think Tank BackLight Long Lens pack. Have fun and hope to see you out there.